Classical Indian philosophy, Nyaya, Theism, God and the proofs for the existence of God. The concept of God. Nyaya accepts the metaphysical theories of Vaisheshika. As a result, the accounts of matter, souls, and God are almost the same in both the schools. Nyaya, like Vaisheshika, accepts the theory of Asatkaryavada, theory of creation. According to the theory, the effect, karya, does not pre exist, that is, asat, in the cause. So, the creation is always a new beginning. It is a fresh creation. As a result, it is also called as Arambhavada. The theory believes that the effect is not contained implicitly in the cause, nor are accidental with the cause. The opposite of this theory is called Satkaryavada. According to the theory, the effect karya of something is existent or sat in the cause. This is believed by Sankhya and Vedantins, though they had different ideas on the process of cause becoming its effect. Nyaya, like Vaisheshika, also accepts the theory of bondage and liberation of souls. They accept the authority of the Vedas and regard them as infallible in nature. According to the later Naiyayikas, God is an essential being or God is an essential thing for obtaining true knowledge of realities, which alone leads to liberation. In other words, God's grace alone leads to liberation. According to them, God is the creator, maintainer or preserver, and destroyer God. They also regard God as the moral governor of all beings. It is called Prayojaka Karta. In short, God is said to possess all six positive virtues or attributes. They are number 1, majesty, number 2, power, number 3, glory, number 4, beauty, number 5, knowledge, number 6, freedom. Proofs for the existence of God. Nyaya provides 9 proofs for the existence of God. They are: the world is the effect, and hence it must have an efficient cause. That efficient cause is God. God is the intelligent agent who orders, designs, coordinates. He is the Karyat. The atoms are essentially inactive and cannot form the different combinations unless God gives them motion. So, the unseen power or Adrishta requires the intelligence of God. Without God, it cannot supply motion to the atoms. It is called Ayojantat. The world is sustained by God's will alone. Similarly, it is also destroyed by God's will alone. It is called Drihatya. The world denotes a meaning and signifies an object. This power is given by God or Padat. God is the author of infallible Vedas. It is called Pratyatya. The Vedas testify the existence of God. It is called Shruti. The divine or the Vedic sentences deal with injunctions and prohibitions. The Vedic commands are the divine commands. So, God is the creator of the moral laws, Vyakyat. As a result, he is the moral governor. It is called Prayojaka Karta. According to Nyaya metaphysics, the magnitude of the Dhyad is not produced by the infinite magnitude of two atoms each, but by the number of the two atoms. Number alone is directly perceived, but other numbers are conceptual creations. Numerical conception, according to both the schools, that is, Nyaya and Vaisheshika, is related to the mind of the perceiver. At the time of creation, the souls are unconscious. The atoms, adrishta, space and time, etc., are all unconscious. So, the numerical conception depends upon the divine consciousness. Here, God exists as Sankhya Avisheshat. According to Nyaya, we reap as we sow, or we reap the fruits of our own actions. Merits and demerits are the results of our own actions, and the same stock of merit and demerit is called adrashta, or the unseen power. This unseen power, or adrashta, is the unintelligible in nature. As a result, it needs the guidance of God. In other words, adrashta needs the guidance of God. So, God exists. It is called adrishtit. Questions. Number 1. The account of matter, soul, and God are dash in both the schools, Nyaya and Vaisheshika. The correct answer is A. Similar. Nyaya accepts the metaphysical theories of Vaisheshika. As a result, the account of matter, souls, and God are almost the same in both the schools. Question 2. Dash believe in Asatkaryavada, theory of creation. The correct answer is D. Both A and C, that is, Nyaya and Vaisheshika. Nyaya, like Vaisheshika, accepts the theory of Asatkaryavada, theory of creation. According to Asatkaryavada theory of creation, the effect, karya, does not pre exist or asat in the cause. So, creation is always a new beginning. It is a fresh creation. As a result, it is also called as Arambhavada. Question 3. According to Nyaya, God is. The correct answer is D. All of these. God is the creator, maintainer, or preserver and destroyer God. He is also regarded as the moral governor of all beings. It is called Prayojaka Karta. He is the Saguna God who is endowed with all positive qualities such as knowledge, freedom, beauty, power, majesty, glory, etc. Question 4. According to Nyaya, God is. The correct answer is B. According to Nyaya, God is the author of infallible Vedas, Pratitya,